30 days later, thousands of chicks start to hatch. But there is no shelter from the scorching sun. The water that once surrounded their island, protecting them, has now dried up altogether. The last to hatch step out into a desperately harsh world. Somehow or other, the growing chicks must find fresh water to drink. They cannot yet fly, so they must walk, guided by some of the adults. They may have to trek for 50 kilometers. Some cannot keep up. The salt has solidified around their legs. Most of the chicks, in spite of everything, and having walked for days, eventually reach fresh water. It is the end of a long journey, but only the first of the trials that will be imposed on these flamingos by the irregularity of the rains.